Meron akong dalawang eksena sa mga batang remix.
What a week.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Alright, good morning mga Zoobs. We are here at our resort. Long day ahead. Waiting for Cody and Bessie to wake up.
Natulog si Curty. Ano ba yun?
Natulog sila.
Ulit.
Morning, babe.
Morning.
Ganda mo naman.
Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I get overdrive, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. Get overdrive, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no, more than giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no. She's a roller coaster, oh she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain.
Morning. Gusto mo ito, Cody?
Ano ka kayo? Diyan ka namin.
Video ba yan?
Video dapat.
Dapat we do the other one in the water. Yung... Wow, wow, wow.
Ano daw? Yung kagabi. Yung gano'n natin. Good morning mga Zoom! Nag-swimming tayo ngayon. Para mamaya dire-diretso na sa pag-prepare. After this, wow! Baka, solo anong oras na ba? Baka we can have a lunch.
10:30.
Hindi pa. Maaga. At least mga 1 o'clock sana. Fasting pa kami para ano, ma-burn yung mga kinain kagabi. Oo.
We had wine last night. A little bit.
Yeah, Tapos, mamaya na rin nga pala mga Zoobs yung event. Mga 5 to 6 p.m. And then, after that, baka meron tayong dinner quickly. And then we go back to Manila kasi meron akong dalawang eksena sa mga batang remix.
What a week. What a taping this week. The pool here, guys, is so nice. It's so warm. It's really, really nice. I was actually expecting it to be cold, but it's a heated pool pala. Definitely coming back here. And the good thing is our villa is like right there. Just outside the pool. Next time I'll bring the GoPro though if we have the kids, so that they can swim. It's lunchtime, so we're off to the restaurant. They prepared us a handful of foods. You got a kimchi sandwich on the way.
And daing na bangus. My ever favorite lunch or breakfast.
And last night I had a Spanish latte, so I plan to have another one kasi sobrang masarap. So let's eat.
Yan na. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Kaya naman si Bessie nag-setup na dito sa room nila ng makeup. Makeup na ako. Curty, do the works.
Yeah, I know, right?
Pwede ako mag-charge so far.
Sure, darling.
Where?
Wait lang, for a while.
Where should I?
Wait lang. Ano ba?
Kasi you know,
Ganda na,
lamig
feeling.
naman dito. Pwede hinaan natin.
Hinaan mo daw.
Dito ka muna kung wala.
No, I'm feeling it.
Kung wala kang power. Laging bigla.
Minom na ako ng gamot.
Wow.
Wow. Yun ang araw-araw na work. Charot. Di ba? Hanggang Sunday ka pa gusto pa may gumawa ng Saturday, di ba?
Okay ba yung setup ko, Bessie?
Naku, ewan ko na kung sa tayo ahantong nito. Wala tayong pahinga. Tapos next arangkada ulit. Ano ka, girl?
Tapos nang biniligan niyan, dalawa.
Wala pang katas ni Diana.
Wala.
Ito daw upuan, sabi mo.
Ito, bigyan niya ito, nabutol ka, Diana.
Oo.
Pero tagal na ito, Bessie.
Tagal na to. Ako
Ilang years na yan.
So, pagkatapos na mag-make-up, kami...
Ay, ano yun?
Nalaglag yung saksakan. Kami ay
Ano mo,
mag-pictorial.
safety mo.
Ayan, safety natin. So, hindi ka madadapa, Bessie.
Ano ka matapa na mo? Basta ko.
At hindi ka rin makukuryente, Bessie.
Para mauuna muna ako makuryente. Bago siya.
Hindi mo i-incarnate yun.
Okay naman sa'yo malamig na ano, yung rolling ball.
Mm-mm.
Okay sa'yo yun. Kung may rolling ball, pakilang.
Liganan mo na siya ng gano'n.
Nalagyan ko moisturizer yun.
Ipagdala mo lang si Bessie mo.
Oo nga, Bessie. Kapit mo naman ako.
Wag yan muna, lagyan mo ng moisturizer.
Oo,
Ay,
kasi
ganun
hindi
pala.
siya dudula.
Ay,
Didikit lang siya.
ang bagay naman ni Bessie.
Ito moisturizer ko, Bessie. Ayaw mo to? Ano ba yan?
Kiko.
Ito
Aloe
maganda.
vera ever.
May sunscreen na.
Para mga arawan ka naman. Eme.
Ang attitude po ng makeup artist.
Hindi naman.
Pero ang aga niya magising, hiyang-hiya ako sa kanya.
Ako din, 8:30 ako nagising. Nag-try pa ako matulog.
Nagising ako alas 2, tapos kagabi yung alarm, di ba? Tumunog.
Good evening mga Zoobs. So while Diana is getting ready for her event, thought I'd go for a walk around, and it's really nice outside. We had quite a good meal earlier. I had chicken with cheese and also the pork belly. It was absolutely amazing. The food here is really great, which is nice, but I'll show you where I am at the moment. Ayan, may pond dito, tapos may walkway. Kind of reminds me of this place that we went to in Korea. There's a fountain there. There's actually fish inside too. And this is the front of the resort. It's actually a really nice spot. So if you've never been here, I 100% suggest that you come here. The villas are really nice. So we showed you a bit of the villa last night. I'm not sure if we're gonna have enough time to shoot like a full tour maybe later, but we'll see how we go. And I'm just gonna walk around and see what else I can find here while Diana is busy.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. Slow it down, things are yours if you want. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs, it's what makes it worth the ride. You will make it in time. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say you'll make it in time. You'll make it in time. You'll make it in time. You'll make it in. You'll make it in time. I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life.
1:33 a.m. Straight from Batangas.
Yes, asmaying na. Nagburo kasi ako ng makeup doon. So, wala na pala kaming tent dito dahil change location lang.
Kasi ano to,
Dakabol lang.
nakapuninunak.
Pero okay lang, mabilis lang.
Makeup sa kotse lang.
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Kaya mo ba?
natin?
Kaya ko yun, Bessie. Masyado ko mukha mo kahit nakapikit.
Wow! Mano-mano. Ito yung yes, mga natulog.
Ayaw mo dito sa likod, ha?
Sarap tulog nyo, no?
Sarap tulog.
Sarap. Lahat except
Oh,
Nice.